Oh yeah, the scale literally has nothing to do with your health. Like that is no feedback from where you are from a health standpoint, especially for women. A difference of 5 pounds for women where their hormones are up and down all the time is like 5 pounds is not fat if you're going from week to week. Like that's, your body fat percentage hasn't changed at all. So it just is like so discouraging for a lot of women who step on the scale and they get this feedback of like whatever they're doing is not right, when it has nothing to do with your body fat percentage or your health. So it's like, it's just such bullshit. Throw it out the window.